So, does the weather affect what happens at elections? Well, actually, there's an awful lot of work on this particular area, perhaps not surprisingly. And lots of people start with America because it's a two-party system. And this is one way of describing how the weather affects American voters. It comes from a very long paper from Stanford University, but the conclusion is increased turnout significantly benefits Democrats. In other words, better weather, bigger turnout is better for the party on the left. And that's something that also seems to be borne out by studies closer to home. In Europe, the rain in Spain, it says here, a paper on turnout and partisan voting in Spanish elections. And yes, once again, it's the party on the left that benefits from the larger turnout if the weather is good. Although, interestingly, not the main leftist party in Spain, it's the little ones clustered around it. And what about this country then? Well, people have crunched the numbers, and if you're saying that looks a bit of a mess, what does that mean? Well, basically, it's turnout versus rainfall, and to be honest, there's no correlation whatsoever. So, yes, it is true that the weather can affect how people vote and the outcome of elections, but apparently not in this country, although it does give you something to talk about when you get to the polling station.